Alright, ebusia yemwa kwaba enfamla ye platforms on afins yemfa latest updates emfa every team Glorious Accra for camp enfama dana bibia entimi enda kwamnya kopadma na watwe team no ejira kono against Hoho United as a new promoted team omonya kwanya etimi abewuram na fensu set was a latest update ewa ha yebehwe na ya confirm ediama yebekwa kodin komo head coach Eddie Mathematic Masud Didi Dramani wakasa ahead gamer edenim on Friday gate fino etimi I available yebehwe na fensu yetimi Eddie Ablo na fensu New Jersey for 2025-2026 season timi attach down yede moderators beba na fensu bietera go. Don't forget so be subscribe your channel no ediama o subscribe we are me adaman press anytime I be update no ubenya notification na wo hudie ko ene deba Glorious Accra Heartful Camp kwan yewuram na fenso eja anya babidu Ghana Premier League match day 1 etoja Heartful ebo first game omo eneti game na no Friday night game 7:00 p.m. and a game no ebeto akoso na washanso ediamanti dia 12 September 2025 and a Ghana Premier League no shasi na Saturday no Blekum Chelsea abokumase metema asante kotko bibian Go Stars the champions no on better dance park no money bechem United etimi ete ayintam so on Sunday and also dia Pando out of Lions ebo Dreams FC na Bascoli Stars and so etimi abo Techma 11 one day Benya Vision FC so bo FC Samates 1996 na Young Apostles and so anytime FM diama ede ayintam so Karela United ebo Ediana Stars na fenso team FM Nations FC abo Sodo or Blacks we any matches betimi atodwa ewo Ghana Premier League match day 1 na me patcho Heartful omo ebo game on Friday no mame en confirm gate fee no entimi enfemeda me patcho de ba ene se dia mpefo de abetodwa se Popular Star no omo je 30 Ghana cedi Popular Star 30 Ghana cedi center line 50 Ghana cedi lower VIP 100 Ghana cedi upper VIP 150 Ghana cedi and VIP 200 Ghana cedi na washanso da in case wa mix no ni Popular Star no 30 Ghana cedi center line 50 Ghana cedi lower VIP 100 Ghana cedi and afenso upper VIP 150 Ghana cedi VIP and also 200 Ghana cedi inteno enen koma eba about that for game against Bobokwa yefen Hoho United head coach Edema Glorious Accra for game Masud Didi Dramani na opening etimi akasa gema eden yenko na yenko tie ne nkoma watimi ede atodweba na afenso Heartful ni team anase omu Jesse no yede dates ede abaset was update ewa ha tamikuju yebesia
United game. Coach, you had a successful preseason campaign. What has impressed you most about the preparations heading to the opener against Hoho United?
I think the most important thing is to see how players and staff are bonding. I think the aspect of bonding in terms of the culture that we have instituted and the team philosophy that we try to introduce and try to enhance our practices was most welcoming. And this is an area that really endears my heart.
Every new season comes with fresh challenges. What is your overall target for the team this season? And how important is starting well in this opening fixture?
I think that our goal is to try to compete, adversely in all the competitions across, the structure of our football in Ghana. And so going in the early season against Hoho United tells that we need to package ourselves strongly and stay consistent and more sustainable in terms of all the competitions of the year.
Coach, you've worked closely with both new signing and existing squad. How has the players adapted to your system during this preseason?
bonding is one thing that we really cherish. We try to do so many aspects that will help us to try to find the bonding. Now it's difficult for you to know who is a new player and who is an older player. All that we have is we have Hearts of Oak technical staff base.
Hoho United is known to be a tough side. What are you expecting from them in this match, and how are you preparing to counter their strength?
They have always been, and it's a very organized side. It's a side that has really put in, a lot in the Division 1. They come with some formidability. They come with some fairness in terms of some new recruits, good players who have played in the Premiership, and they have a very good technical brain in terms of our own brother who are also there. So it gives you the idea to know that this is going to be a very tough encounter, very uncompromising, and so you need to respect what they bring with their direct football, and so we try to win the spaces, try to bring our identity to play in this encounter.
Finally, what message do you have for the fans ahead of the much anticipated season opener?
I know they have been waiting for this opportune time, and they have been in all the games that we played in the preseason, and this is also part of the pinnacle of the preseason, and so the early season matches are so important. We entreat them to come in their numbers. We entreat them to come and continue to support as they have done before. We entreat them to come and then put their weight behind the club, put their weight behind the players, and continue to love football, continue to love Accra Hearts of Oak. Phobia.
Inti head coach Masoud Didi Dramani ena utimi etching kanti ate folk nyankopo aduma ye expect support obekaya players no e demand say upcoming season no more for the maximum support emla emekokoten eme support team ni yenwuram na afenso no yen confirm enfema said yeba esat folk officially omu just 2025-2026 season no etimi arrive ewo Ghana ha na de ba nsempemfo ebehia na omuhia na afenso price tag no omotimi ede aba abonti yebehwe na ya confirm ewo platform we so ediamon na bibia etimi ateta na kwa one particular player set wose obeka set wose yabo gakatofo yabo gwesi manche ne nyina no set wose enya akonya intiminsi akan enfematemat fokna obeka over the weekend tim no nyakonya kopiem ewa so dem koya asore kakla esa korem ewo mu efi ho na saa ne nyina no set wose entimi anya available ena afenso no ablante no 2 days ni wonya akonya enkokoden enye tren obeka ya timati folk endo mobile friendly game eho ena set wose etimi nya akonya report ye ewo kam nemom no wanya konya NC akan in friendly game to ekoso me up keke na according to report or urban say one shot na set was say Masoud Didi Dramani ebetimi ayi na free no plans here or found for upcoming season because plans here often set was say yentimi ehu no match day squad mu yentimi onche danya consistent retraining session into set was say no report or eba and say Didi enye happy about set was say na empenfo ebema set was say letter sa letter no ene behwe di etuam na afenso betimi akokoten aye dwuma de timatifok anase empenfo ebeteminity ablante no contact eno eye blending club ya and don't forget it's a Friday Hearts of Oak elbow against Hoho United new promoted team and on the enter so ebusia yadin komono esi don't forget to subscribe to channel no ediamai akram